So welcome to another edition of How to Fix It Yourself with Dave and Dave. Today we're working on the 2001 Nissan Pathfinder. We just got through doing the CV joint, but we noticed that the bushings on the sway bar were getting a little old. And so we're going to go ahead and replace those while we have the tire off on this side. Then we'll pull the tire on the other side and do the other side. Again, it's not terribly difficult, but hopefully the steps we show you will be helpful. One word of caution before you start is there's a lot of tension on that sway bar, and it's really heavy to twist and turn, which it's made to do. So be sure that the tires on both sides, or both sides of the car at the suspension level, are even, and that takes the pressure off of the sway bar and will make your job a whole lot easier. Okay, so we're gonna pull 4 bolts to drop this out of here. Notice that it has a rib in there. That's this rib right here. Now you'll notice when this fits up in here, it only goes to there. I think, I don't remember for sure, but I think the full Nissan one comes out a little further, but they're horribly expensive and these work just fine. They do have a split in them so you can slide them over the bar. So we'll start by pulling out the 2 bottom bolts. Then there's a bolt way back here in the back. We'll pull that one. And then we'll pull this front one and this plate will come loose. Okay, now you just have to wiggle it down off of there. And even though we were having trouble with this, it doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape, but we're gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. So now what we need to do is we're gonna get a pry bar and pry this down so we can take this one off and put the other one on. And then we'll, with that bar up nice and tight like that, it'll make it easier to put the bracket back on. So we had the jack up a little too high. I mentioned we needed to take the tension off. So we've dropped the jack down a little bit. And now that's given us enough room here to where we can start getting the spacing we need here to be able to slide this on around. So there it's going on around. Now we can use the big bar to get a little more distance and get it back into the old place where it's all rubbed out. Okay, so that's fundamentally the challenge. So the only other challenge now is to make sure that the rib aligns with the hole. So once you get it lined up to where you can, so once you start getting that front bolt started, you can go ahead and start snugging it in a little bit. And then that'll let you get out all the rest of these here. The next one you want to do is the one in the back. That's a little awkward. Can't really see it. You got to kind of wiggle around and find it. Got it. Just got to get a couple of turns on it. All right, so we got the one in the back. They're on the front. It looks like this one's now And get this one in almost. Need to pop this one up. Allow us to get on this one here. And that one will go in. All right, so that's that side. So don't make the mistake we make and jack up your side of your car too much, or it'll make your life a little more difficult. So hope this has been helpful. It's been a short little video. It's fairly obvious how to do this, but sometimes it helps to have someone kind of walk you through it. So if you've liked this video, please press the like button. Go ahead and subscribe, and if you haven't already, and then press the bell icon to get notified of any new videos. While there isn't too many tools involved, we will have the tools and the parts listed in the links below. Hope this has been helpful. Have a good afternoon.